those savory rolls. Yummy! First, we need 1 bag of steamed rice roll. Then we put it in a bowl. Now, the secret ingredient is to add 2 tablespoons of tapioca. That's right. 1 tablespoon of chicken powder and 1.1 liter of water. Mix them well. Here you go. Now, you can leave it aside for 2 hours or overnight. After that, you see this small line of water here? Yes, you have to remove that and put fresh water in it. So, take it up gently. Yes, it's a good idea with a spoon. Add the fresh water and mix it well. Then add 2 tablespoons of oil. For the filling, you have ground pork, fungus, onion, salt and pepper, chicken powder, and the panda sauce, of course. One more thing, the fish sauce. You also need the Vietnamese sausage. Yum yum. Bean sprout, a big cucumber, and dry onion. Now, cut the onions in small pieces. After that, take the fungus and also cut in small pieces. Heat up the pan and add some oil. Add the onion. Stir a little bit. Then add the ground pork. Stir fry it until it turns like this. Then add half a teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of chicken powder. And a little bit of pepper. 1 teaspoon of oyster sauce. Mix them well. Then add the fungus. And mix them well. Cut the cucumber in small pieces. Put a bean sprout in hot water for a few seconds. To make the rice cake, heat up a non-stick pan and then add the liquid, then count to 10. Once done, you take the cake out. Just like that. Then add the meat and roll it. Here you go. For the sauce, add 1 tablespoon of sugar, 4 tablespoons of warm water, 1 tablespoon of fish sauce, then a little bit of lemon juice. Finally, some pepper. And voila! Bon appétit!